So if you watch my videos regularly, you probably noticed that I haven't posted anything for 2 weeks. And the reason for that is I just got a job and I'm still finishing up school right now, so I haven't had much spare time. I'm not gonna stop making YouTube videos, but I can't promise anything more than 1 video a week, if I can even promise that. I obviously really like making these videos and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. Hopefully I can keep this up for like a couple years yet, and maybe I can even make some money on it at some point. But anyways, I've got a whole bunch of awesome video ideas that I can make this summer, so it's just a matter of actually finding the time to film and edit and then upload all of these. So if you want to see all of those, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you don't miss any of it. And as usual, thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see another awesome video about this truck, you can click right here, and if you want to see a full playlist about videos on this truck, click right here for that, and I'll see you over there.